Hello all, welcome back. This is the stitch that we will be crocheting today. If you like triangles, the stitches that we are going to be using are chain, single crochet, double crochet, and a triple treble. I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy. If you are ready to start, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarn, crochet hook. Let's get to work. As usual, using some leftover yarn, some acrylic yarn with a 4mm hook. For your sample, use your yarn with the yarn hook that it requires. Make a sample first, see how you like it, and take it from there. The sample calls for multiples of 12 plus 2 at the end. So I have here 24 plus 2 at the end. Single crochet into the second stitch from the hook, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, into the next put 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, single crochet into the next, and that will be your repeat till the end of the row. Chain 5, skip 5, 3 double crochets, chain 5, skip 5, single crochet, skip 5, single crochet into the next. In this case is into the last, and this is row number 1. Chain 6, that will count as a double crochet. The chain 3 will count as a double crochet plus chain 3. Move into the first double crochet, put 3 double crochets in it, 1 2 3, 1 double crochet into the next, and 3 double crochets into the next, 1 2 3. This is what we have. Chain 3, into the single crochet you will put a double crochet, and that is your repeat. And this is what we have so far. Row number 3, we're starting with chain 5. That will count as our triple treble. 3 double crochets into the first double crochet of the group, one in each of the next besides the last one. So 1 2 3 4 5, and 3 into the last one, into the 6th. Well, this one will be 7th. 1 2 3, like so. Chain 1, and you will move into the next group. We're skipping all this in the middle. Repeat 3 double crochets into the first, 1 into the next 5,
1 2 3 4 5,
and 3 into the last, So on until the end of the row. So when you are ready to finish the row, 1, 2, 3, into the third chain from the beginning, you will put a triple treble. So yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. There we go. And there's what we have. Chain 3 and double crochet into the same stitch. So the chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and add another double crochet into the first stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the next single crochet. Chain 5, skip 5, into the chain 1, put 3 double crochets. I would not advise you to go underneath the chain, work into the chain, so your stitches are not moving. So 3 double crochets. And that is how you are going to go all the way till the end of the row. Chain 5, skip 5, single crochet into the next, chain 5, skip 5, into the next. You will put 3 double crochets. If you're finishing the row, you will put 2 double crochets. There we have it. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Into the next stitch, we'll put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. Into the single crochet, we'll put a double crochet. You will obviously skip the chain 5. Chain 3 again. Here we're forming the next triangle. 3 into the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1 into the next, and 3 into the next. And so on until the end of the row. Chain 3, skip the chain 5, double crochet into the single crochet, chain 3, skip 5, 3, 1, 3. Finishing the row with 3 into the first double crochet, and 1 into the last stitch or into the third chain from the beginning. This is what we have. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. 3 into the next stitch. And you can see this is the half of the triangle. Chain 1, skip all these, there's 7, move into the group, 3 into the first double crochet of the group, 1 into the next 5, 3 into the next double crochet. There we go, till the end of the row. Chain 1, you will skip these 7, move into the next triangle, 3 into the first double crochet of that group, you will put 1 in the next 5 and then 3 into the last. You finishing the row, you put 3 and then 1 double crochet into the remaining 3 stitches. This one will be into the third chain from the beginning. There's what we have. Chain 1, single crochet into the first stitch, chain 5, move into the chain 1 space and put 3 double crochets in it. So this one will resemble our row number 1, number 5, what am I talking about? Our first row, single crochet, chain 5, skip 5, 3 here, same thing here, chain 5, skip 5, single crochet into the next, chain 5, skip 5, falls into the chain 1 space, put 3 double crochets in there. Chain 5, skip 5, single crochet into the next. And now you will rewind the video, and starting row number 2, you will keep repeating. So number 2 through number 7. And here I added a couple more rows of cameras so you can see, get a feeling of what this stitch will look like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. I will see you next time. Bye.